In 1964, Dodge built a pickup truck that couldn't drive normally. It was fast. It was terrifying. And it constantly broke every rule of physics. They called it the Little Red Wagon. And it was the machine that turned drag racing into a show. At first glance, nothing about this story makes sense, because this vehicle was never designed for racing. It was a regular Dodge A100, a work pickup with a cab-over design and the engine mounted between the seats. A vehicle for builders, couriers, and tradesmen. Reliable, simple, utilitarian. But in the early 1960s, someone at Chrysler decided to test a simple idea. What happens if you give a pickup truck a dragster engine? The engine choice was obvious. The legendary 426 Hemi V8, one of the most powerful engines of its era. But instead of mounting it up front, the engineers took a far more radical approach. They installed the engine in the cargo bed, almost directly over the rear axle. The logic was simple. More weight over the rear wheels means better traction and faster launches. On paper, it looked perfect. But the moment the truck hit the track, it did something no one expected. The nose lifted into the air, and the truck began racing on its rear wheels. The first test runs were terrifying. Driver visibility, almost zero. Control, barely manageable. One small mistake could easily be fatal. The truck was quick, running the quarter mile in roughly 11 seconds, but it was nearly uncontrollable. Drivers refused to get behind the wheel. The project looked doomed, but Chrysler noticed something important. This pickup might lose races, but it was winning attention. Spectators couldn't look away. They were witnessing something they had never seen before. To tame this chaos, Chrysler needed a special kind of driver. That driver was Bill Maverick Golden, an experienced drag racer and fearless experimenter who wasn't afraid of unconventional solutions. Golden understood one crucial thing. This truck didn't need to be normal. It needed to be controlled madness. He transformed it by installing separate handbrakes for each rear wheel, modifying the suspension to control wheelies, moving the driver's seating position closer to the center, and abandoning overly aggressive fuel setups in favor of reliability. The pickup stopped trying to kill its driver and became a purpose-built show machine. How the Little Red Wagon could run almost the entire quarter mile on its rear wheels. For spectators, this was unbelievable. Drag racing was no longer just about times and numbers. It became about spectacle. In 1977, Bill Golden set a record that still sounds unreal. 1289 meters on the rear wheels alone, earning a place in the Guinness Book of World Records. The truck that was once considered a mistake had become an icon of American motorsport. This machine was never perfect. It was loud, dangerous, absurd. But it did something no other vehicle had done before. It created the culture of wheel-standing drag cars. It proved that spectacle could matter more than victory. And it showed that even a pickup truck could change motorsport history. Bill Golden continued performing into the early 2000s, and his red pickup remains a symbol of an era when engineers were still allowed to be completely insane. Sometimes legends aren't born from perfection, but from mistakes that no one dared to fix.